Find the modulus and argument of the following. Find the modulus and argument of the following complex number. First, z equal to -1 minus root 3i. Second, z equal to root 3 plus I. Third, z equal to minus root 3 plus I. Solution. First, z equal to -1 minus root 3i. This is 1. Compare with z equal to x plus iy. This is 2. We find that x equal to -1, y equal to minus root 3, modulus of z is mod z equal to under root x square plus y square, mod z equal to under root minus 1 square plus minus root 3 square, mod z equal to under root 1 plus 3, mod z is equal to 2. Now tan theta is equal to y upon x. Tan theta equals to y is minus root 3 upon minus 1. So tan theta is equal to root 3 implies that theta is pi by 3. So you see that your x and y both are negative. Our x is less than 0, y is less than 0. Then our complex number is in third quadrant. This is P. Your argument theta. This is theta. This is minus pi by 3 and this is theta is minus 2 pi by 3. Angle measured from the initial line, your theta can be written as this is minus pi by 3, this is minus 2 pi by 3. So mod tan theta is equal to 3, theta is pi by 3, your this side angle is minus pi by 3 and your this side angle is minus 2 pi by 3. Angle measured from the initial line, your initial line is x axis. So your theta equal to minus 2 pi by 3. Finally your theta is minus sin pi minus theta. Your argument of z, this is theta. Your argument of z is equal to pi minus tan pi minus theta. So that is equal to minus tan pi minus pi by 3. That is equal to minus 2 pi by 3. So your argument of z is minus 2 pi by 3. This is your argument of z and modulus of z, mod z is 2. So now you see your second part. Second part, z equal to root 3 plus I. This is 1. Now compare with z equal to x plus iy. We find x equal to root 3 and y equal to 1. Here x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. Complex number is in first quadrant. So mod z equal to under root x square plus y square. Mod z equal to under root 3 plus 1. Mod z is 2. And tan theta is equal to y upon x. Your tan theta, your y is 1 and x is root 3. Tan theta, x and y both are positive. So from here your theta is pi by 6, 30 degree. Theta is pi by 6. So your argument of z is pi by 6 and modulus of z is 2. Now third case. This is xo x dash, yo y dash. This is the complex number p. Z equal to root 3 plus I. So your this angle is theta. So this theta is pi by 6. Now third part. For z equal to minus root 3 plus I, compare with z equal to x plus iy. Your x is minus root 3, y is 1. X less than 0, y is greater than 0. Complex number is in second quadrant. So now mod z equal to under root x square plus y square. Mod z equal to 3 plus 1. Mod z is 2. Your modulus is 2. And your tan theta is equal to y upon x, that is equal to 1 upon minus root 3. Tan theta is equal to minus 1 upon root 3. Tan theta is mod of tan theta is 1 upon root 3, implies that theta is pi by 6 and argument of z is equal to pi minus theta, that is equal to pi minus pi by 6. So argument of z is 5 pi by 6. And you can show it in this. This is x o x dash, this is y o y dash, this is z equal to minus root 3 plus I. Here this is the angle and this angle is theta. Argument of z is pi minus theta. In this way you can find. Now your second type of question is to express the given complex number in polar form. Question. Express the following complex number in polar form. First, z equal to 1 plus I. Second, z equal to 1 minus I. Third, z equal to minus 1 plus I. And fourth, z equal to minus 1 minus I. Solution. First, z equal to 1 plus I. So as you know that your 1 plus I can be written as r in the bracket cos theta plus I sin theta is the polar form. R equal to mod z, that is your x is 1, y is 1. So this is under root x square plus y square. So r equals to under root 1 square plus 1 square. R is equal to under root 2. Tan theta is equal to y upon x. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon 1. Tan theta is 1. So now you can see your x and y both are positive. This is P 1 plus I. This is your theta. So from here theta is 45 degree, pi by 4. So now you substitute your r is root 2 and theta equal to pi by 4. Put r equal to root 2, theta equal to pi by 4 in 1. We get its polar form. 1 plus I equal to root 2 in the bracket cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Now second, your second is z equal to 1 minus I. From z equal to x plus iy, x is 1, y is minus 1. X is positive, y is negative. Z is in fourth quadrant. So in this way you can write 1 minus I equal to 1 minus I equal to r in the bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the polar form. This is 1. R equal to mod z. R equal to under root x square plus y square. R is under root 1 square plus minus 1 square. Your R is root 2. Tan theta is equal to y upon x. Tan theta equals to minus 1 upon 1. Tan theta equals to minus 1. Mod tan theta is equal to 1. Theta gives pi by 4. Now, in place of this theta, you have to take pi minus of pi minus theta. So that is equal to minus pi by 4. This is equal to minus 3 pi by 4. So your theta is minus 3 pi by 4. X is positive, y is negative. So now in this case, you see this is your x o x dash, y o y dash. Your this is the z equal to 1 minus I. So your this angle is minus pi by 4. So your theta is considered as minus pi by 4. Your theta equals to minus pi by 4. Now put r equal to root 2, theta equal to minus pi by 4 in 1. We get polar form. 1 minus I equal to root 2 in the bracket cos of minus pi by 4 plus I sin minus pi by 4. This is the polar form of the complex number 1 minus I. Now third, z equal to minus 1 plus I, compare with x, z equal to x plus iy, x is minus 1, y is 1, x is less than 0, y is greater than 0, implies that minus 1 plus I is in second quadrant. So you can write minus 1 plus I in polar form as r in the bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. So r equals, this is 1, r equals to mod z, that is under root minus 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to root 2. Now tan theta is equal to y by x, tan theta is equal to 1 upon minus 1, tan theta is minus 1, mod tan theta is minus 1. So now you see, this is x o x dash, this is y o y dash. Now this is your z equal to minus 1 plus I, your this angle is theta. This is the theta, compare, your this angle is this theta. This is pi by 4. And this theta is pi minus theta. This implies that theta is equal to pi by 4, pi by theta equal to pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4. This implies that theta equal to 3 pi by 4. So your this angle theta is 3 pi by 4. Now put r equals to root 2, theta equals to 3 pi by 4 in 1. We get minus 1 plus I equal to root 2 in the bracket cos 3 pi by 4 plus I sin 3 pi by 4. Now fourth part. Fourth part, in this, given that z equal to minus 1 minus I, z equal to x plus iy, comparing x is minus 1, y is minus 1. Now polar form is r in the bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. Here x is less than 0, y is less than 0, then minus 1 minus I lies in third quadrant. Now r, this is 1, your r is mod z, that is under root 1 plus 1, r is under root 2, and tan theta is equals to y upon x, tan theta is equals to minus 1 upon minus 1, tan theta is 1. So now you can see, this is x o x dash, y o y dash, this is in third quadrant, minus 1 minus I is in third quadrant, so your angle theta is this, and this angle is pi by 4, so your theta is equal to minus tan pi minus pi by 4. So theta is equal to minus 3 pi by 4. So now put r equal to root 2 and theta equals to minus 3 pi by 4 in 1. You get the polar form minus 1 minus I equal to root 2 in the bracket cos of minus 3 pi by 4 plus I sin minus 3 pi by 4. That's all. Thank you for